Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is 12 July 2024, Friday. Today we are going to discuss about Saudi market outlook and few stocks which are expected to outperform the Saudi stock market. First, I want to say thank you to all the traders and investors who followed us. They made a good amount of profit and we received plenty of messages. The first one we recommended earlier in this week was 2370. Saudi Middle East Specialized Cables. Second one was National Company for Learning and Education, that is Tadawul 4291. The third one was Tadawul 8230, Al-Laji Company for Cooperative Insurance. And the fourth one was 8250, the Gulf Insurance Group. We also made it clear, very clear, that Saudi insurance sector will outperform the entire market. The similar thing happened. Check these two stocks belongs in the Saudi insurance sector, and these two stocks also moving higher, right? And other two stocks also performing very well. If you invested or traded in these stocks, I hope you made a good amount of profit. Thanks again for all the thankful note we received so far. The next one we are going to discuss about, that is TASI. TASI is clearly forming the symmetrical triangle pattern. This is a symmetrical triangle, and during the symmetrical triangle pattern, we are not expecting the index will going up or downwards, and the volatility will be low in this period. Once the breakout is confirmed, then the volatility will begin to rise. Symmetrical triangle pattern has a tendency to breaking any side. So until the breakout is not confirmed, we are not confirmly say at which direction the breakout will eventually happen. The most promising sector in this Saudi market at present is again the Saudi insurance sector, where we have also already analyzed all the sector. We have noticed that this stock or this index is right now outperforming the whole market. So if you want to trade or invest, look for the stocks belonging in the Saudi insurance group. Next, we are going to discuss about few stocks. The first one is 3008, that is Al Khatari Holding. The stock made a sharp breakout, and after the breakout, the stock moved from 2 to almost 4 reals. At present, the stock is forming the symmetrical triangle pattern, and the RSI is also moving higher. This indicates that the potential breakout may be upwards and the volume is also rising. So keep this in your watch list. The next stock is 4162, that is Al Munazem Foods. We have included a volume profile here. So what volume profile says? See, the volume profile says there is a huge accumulation in this period and there is a huge accumulation in this period too. Right now the accumulation phase is going on and the stock is also moving up, started to moving upwards. This indicates that the potential movement will be upwards in the coming weeks. So focus on these stocks. The next stock is 7020, that is Mobile Telecommunications. We made a complete analysis yesterday. This is the monthly chart and this is the weekly chart. The stock already fallen from the stock already dropped 87% since 2024, and recently the stock tried to moving upwards. This is the rounding button pattern and the stock made a strong breakout here. This is the weekly chart. What we can see in the weekly chart, the stock is forming the flag and pole pattern. Flag and pole is a continuation pattern, and the flag and pole pattern generally, once the flag pattern was completed, that stock generally sharply moving upwards if it is the upwarding movement. So this is the first move, second move, third move, and we are expecting the fourth move coming ahead. So focus on this stock, and there is an entire analysis has been given in our TradingView channel. The next one is 4050, that is Saudi Automotive. This is a strong breakout. The stock made a strong breakout or expected to be made a strong breakout. The volume is highly developing here. So focus on this stock and keep it in your watch list. Possibly this stock will eventually breaking upwards, breaking this trend line. This is the resistance line. and the stock will moving high. The last one, that is the 4250, that is Jabal Umar development. Right now the stock is on the support. The support is forming since 2023. This is the first point, the second point, the third point. So the stock is already on the support and started to moving upwards. We can see during the support there is a huge accumulation phase was going on. See how the volume was developing during the support, and eventually this volume development happens when the stock is on the support. That means the huge accumulation was already made here, and we are expecting the stock will move higher in the coming days. Please note that all these stocks we have referring here is just for the educational purpose only. If you want our advice, please visit our website naranjcapital.com, where we give regular advice on Saudi stock market, Tadawul and US stock market. If you like this video, please share, comments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.